Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's July 18th. Interesting day today in the grains. Started off lower. Overnight, the extended market was down when we came in this morning. We did find some pressure early on. There was some talk out there of China returning some cargoes of corn, just a rumor. That was chatter on the floor early this morning. But it was right around 11:30-ish when we saw the market start to turn higher. The weather models that we've seen actually still have some good rains in the forecast over the next 5 days or through the weekend, and then we've got some rain building behind that as well. But that didn't seem to matter. We ended up starting to rally right around that 11:30 time frame. We had Tom Vilsack, as well as President Obama, in a meeting, came out basically saying that they're not considering changing any ethanol mandates right now, and that these corn prices are high and that they may remain that way. So it gave any of the bullish fuel, they gave them a little more fuel. So it was just an okay to buy. So we saw the market turn from lower to back higher. Corn ended up 13 cents higher today. Beans up 29. Wheat up about 18. Beans were led by meal today. Meal very strong. Big day there for meal. And we've really seen those prices continue to run higher, as well as bean oil as well. So the products for beans have pushed it up. The rain's coming in right now. Maybe a little bit negative or a little bearish on beans, but that doesn't seem to matter. If we've got stronger products right now, it's helping keep some strength in the beans. Some of the outside markets today, the dollar down about 9 cents, rather quiet day. Crude oil up about 62 cents. So not a lot going on in these outside markets that are going to influence or pay any attention here to these grains. As far as livestock, fat cattle, as well as feeders, as well as hogs, very strong. There was a report out here early this morning that we're going to see Japan. They're increasing their demand here for U.S. beef, and that's taking less beef away from us here. But we saw a very big turnaround there. Fat cattle 270 higher. Feeders were up limit most of the day. And then we had hogs up about $2.80. So very strong as far as livestock. Cattle, box beef, not much. Choice down a penny, select down 4. The big story of the cattle as well as hogs is now we finally have some demand. Are we going to see more of a rally here? Have we put a little bit of a short-term bottom in with this story? We need to see another strong day here tomorrow to really get these buyers back in the market. One day is not going to cut it. We've seen a very sharp decline, and we need to see another strong day to build this consistency, maybe see these cash prices turn up as well. So keep an eye on that. As far as the overnight open at 5 o'clock here Central Time, I do suspect we could end up could see the grains open up maybe a little stronger. Still, it looks like we're going to go up and try to test that $8 level, that $7.99 high that we had from 2008. We're yet to do that, so we may try to get a chance at that again here tonight. The market did have a stronger close today, so we'll see how that plays out. But as I mentioned, we do have some rains coming right now that could affect the market and could affect prices. So continue watching that. If these rains are stronger than what we thought, we get a little more rain, we could see these things pull back as well. But right now, it seems like we could see a little higher open yet for these overnight markets. So that's what we're looking for at this time. Give us a call, 800-262-7538, with any questions that you have. And you can check us out online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you had a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Take care.